TLRY brands, Canopy Growth and Aurora Cannabis, and indeed all the other cannabis stocks, they saw some momentum today. All of these are owing to the news that Germany has passed a partial legalization of cannabis, and this entails that adults can hold up to 25 grams and store up to 50 grams and also have up to 3 plants, in their possession. And so that's what we're looking at right now. TLRY gained, or rather gained ultimately, or settled for a gain of 16.41% in the regular session of today, the 22nd of March 2023. The stock has been showing a lot of strength since exactly 1 week ago. It's been showing a reasonable amount of strength, and it is currently almost has converged with one of its Fibonacci projections of $2.36 or thereabout on its daily chart. There are upper projections here we are looking at 2.52 and all the way to 3.11 on this daily chart. Statistically, the probability of it advancing further doesn't look good, even though it's been advancing for the last couple of I would say the last 5 trading sessions, or pretty much. But statistically, for some reason, the probability that it will continue to do so is not very high. It's not very high, but that is just statistical. The stock may continue to defy those forecasts and continue to advance, and that probability may have been in place even before now. But in any case, let's have a look at its weekly chart and see what we have for TLRY. Okay, TLRY, on this weekly chart, the projections are very ambitious, very ambitious. We have $16, the next upper projection, and we have 26.35. If this makes you happy, it even goes all the way towards $105.9. Yeah. Can we look at the monthly chart and see if we're going to see anything more? Now let's see monthly charts. There isn't anything there on the monthly chart for TLRY, and let's quickly move on to Aurora Cannabis, ACB. Let's see. Okay, pretty much like TLRY, I want to believe, yes, it started to advance about a week ago, and currently facing some resistance on its on this daily chart for TLRY. So that we can't see any further projections on its daily chart, but we might see on its weekly chart. Let's see on the weekly chart. Yes, it's very much ambitious as well, like it is on TLRY. 42.78 is the next upper projection. Yeah, and maybe we have to look at if the short-term charts, and we might see projections that are pretty much closer to what it closed at right now. So we have $4.88 on this 5-minute chart, 4.94. We have 5.04. We have 5.15, and all the way towards 5.49. There are indeed also downward projections. We have 4.61 and all the way down to 4.26. So let's look at CGC, Canopy Growth, CGC. Let's see what's going on here with CGC. Let's begin with this 5-minute chart for CGC. Upper projection, let's begin with the downward projections. We have a downward projection that is pretty much close by to where it is, $6.88, and we have 5.68. We might be able to determine, have a look, we might be able to determine what the probability of it penetrating through this $6.88 projection. Let's see, we might be able to do something in that regard. So let's use $6.88 and 7.03. We might find something. $6.88, 6.88 minus 7.03. 7.03 is its 10 period moving average, and we divide that by 0.0490. We have $3.06. I'm looking at without looking at any Z score, I can easily guess that the probability that the stock is going to penetrate through this moving average is yes, around 90%. So the chance that statistically the chance that it's going to retrace down to 6.88 is very much looks quite realistic. And then, but outside that, projections go up. They go up to 7.34. This is the 5-minute chart. 7.34, 7.62, 7.85, 8.08, and all the way towards 10.04. Okay, let's look at its daily chart and see what we have there on its daily chart. On the daily chart for cannabis, for canopy growth, it might be very much like what we saw on TLRY and Aurora Cannabis. We have projections. There are projections here, but they are somewhat modeled up. I really can't see very much. Yeah, there might be a projection here. Yes, there is a projection, 6.88. Okay, 6.88, isn't it where it is right now, or thereabouts, or what we? Okay, it should be higher than that, I think. But in any case, we have 9.09. We have 10.57. We have 12.79. We have $15. We have 15.37. We have 18.69, and all the way towards 28.67. Yeah. So see what you make of all of these. And the news that Germany has now passed a partial legalization that will allow adults to hold up to 25 grams maybe in person, and then store up to 50 grams, and have possess or keep up to 3 plants that are up to 3 cannabis plants. So see what you make of tilray, Aurora Cannabis, and cannabis growth, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.